This recipe is viewer requested. This is liver grass-fed that I bought from a farm in Florida. I never thought someone would ask for a liver recipe, but here it is. This is 1 pound of grass-fed beef liver. Today I'm also using cherry tomato, about half a pound, half of a very large elephant garlic. This would be about 4 cloves of garlic, half of a very large onion, 2 scallions, hot pepper. And the first thing I'll do is to slice it. You can leave it whole if you wish. I'll slice this into small pieces. Cut it as large or as small as you like.
Liver is one of the most nutritionally dense foods on the planet, with significant amounts of iron, riboflavin, vitamin B12, vitamin A, and copper. Eating a single serving of liver can help you meet your daily recommended amount of most of these vitamins and minerals, reducing your risk of nutrient deficiency.
I'll place the pot over medium flame. I just wanted to show you the thyme and the oregano, fresh. I'm going to chop it into pieces. I'll add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, organic extra virgin olive oil. I'll add in some cumin seeds, about half a teaspoon. Next, I'll add the onion in. And some garlic. I'll cook it for a few minutes. Now that it's fragrant and translucent, almost, I'll add the turmeric and black pepper, a tablespoon of green seasoning. That's optional if you don't have it, but you should always have green seasoning in your refrigerator in a jar. Check out my recipe for that. I cooked the turmeric for 1 minute, and now I'll add in the remainder of the ingredients. Tomato, onion, garlic, thyme, oregano, and scallion, green onion, and the hot pepper. Give it a stir. We'll cook until the tomatoes start to melt. A couple of minutes. You want it to release its juices and become very tender. The heat is on medium. I'm going to add a little more oil. Don't be afraid of olive oil. That's healthy fat. I'll now add in the liver and give it a stir. As you would have noticed, we did not add any salt yet. You never want to salt the liver early. It will just toughen it up. I'm going to reduce the heat to low and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't want to overcook it, and you don't want to salt it too early. And this is the healthiest liver recipe you would ever see. You've got turmeric, you've got cumin, you've got the black pepper to aid in the absorption, and you've got liver itself, which is highly nutritious. I'm going to cover and cook it on very low. The liver has been cooking for about 10 minutes. I checked it once or twice during the cooking process. I'll just stir it. At this point, you can taste it and test it for doneness for you. It's nice and tender. It's perfect. I'll finish off with chopped hot pepper, chopped culantro or cilantro, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin, and salt, about 1 teaspoon. You can also add chopped pimento peppers or Caribbean seasoning pepper. More pepper if you wish. All optional. This is already very tasty. So it's been cooking for 10 minutes. Finished it off with our spices and seasonings. And if this is cooked well enough for you at this point, you can take it off. It's done. I'm going to cook it for a minute more to let those seasonings settle in. Taste for salt and adjust. I think I need a little more. So I added a little more salt, I think a total of 1 teaspoon. It looks absolutely delicious, smells amazing, and it's still very tender. I'm just going to cook it for only 1 minute more. So good. Add as much cumin or jeera as you wish, half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, and then you're done. That's it. Perfect and healthy and nutritious. Healthy food does not have to be bland. Take off the stove and you're done. It's still tender, still juicy, and it's not tough at all. Only 10 minutes of cooking.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, cook, share, and love. Bye bye.